In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your call recordings here on an iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you have any questions throughout this entire guide, ask us down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment and I can help you out further down there. But first things first, obviously you are now able to record phone calls here on an iPhone. And after you do record a call, if you don't directly open up the location to save it, don't worry, because after actually recording that call, you simply need to open up your Notes app. In your Notes app, you're going to see a section that says call with and then whatever contact name that you have. For example, I have call with Caitlin. Essentially, go ahead and just click on that, and you're now going to be able to view that specific call. You can hit play to listen to it. You can go back 15 seconds. You could skip forward 15 seconds. And on top of that, there's also a transcript available if you'd rather just like read through whatever was mentioned in that call. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That's how you can actually view your call recordings here on an iPhone. It's in the Notes app. You'll find it pretty easily within there. If it's not in your Notes app for you, let me know down in the comments and I can help you out further. But if you do have any questions, once again, don't hesitate to ask us down there as well. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.